Hey guys, this is Ken with Pro Exteriors, and I want to thank you so much for watching this. It was an absolute pleasure and honor for us to be able to re-roof this historical landmark behind us. So a little bit of history. Over here in Pine, Colorado, this used to be a railroad town. This used to be one of the people here, and the original owners, one of the real cool stories about this is they were 70 years old and decided to pack up and leave this house the way it is, and that's pretty much the way it is right now inside. We'll show you some video footage of that, but they decided at 70 years old to load up in the wagon with the horses and head off to California. So this house is literally one of the reasons they dubbed it historical landmark is because it is almost literally untouched. So it still has all the skeleton locks and everything like that, everything that the people left behind. I don't know for sure if they ever made it back from California, but think about being 70 years old and loading up in your horse and carriage and then going from here in Pine, Colorado all the way to California. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.